So, hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Live today. It is Stephen. Hope you all are doing well. I'm so far so good. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to talk about some English words which are very close yet they differ from each other because I have also faced such issues and such problems in my writing, in my speaking. So I'm going to discuss about it so that you all may not make such mistake in your speaking or in your writing. So those words are like string and dwindle. So friends, when it comes to use the word string, the string word means something becoming smaller in size and which happens physically and which can be touched. And for example, we can say like my shirt shrunk after the washing. That means your shirt is becoming smaller in size physically. Whereas on the other hand, when it comes to use the word dudent, the dudent word is used in abstract sense, which is not tangible, and it meant something gradually decreasing in amount, strange, and numbers. For example, you can say like my motivation didn't. So this is used in the abstract sense, which cannot be seen, which cannot be touched. So friends, such words are sometimes seem similar, yet they differ in its uses, which we need to understand according to the context. So sometimes when we learn some words, when we learn it incomplete and it mess up the whole sentence, because when you are speaking or when writing, you are confused with such words. But even after being, if you use such words with confusion, that confusion can mess up the whole sentence. Like you mean it something and the listener understand it some other way. So therefore, the half knowledge is always a dangerous and it is very destructive. So therefore, when we are learning something, we must try to learn it completely, try to understand it to the core and in its entirety. I have faced such similar situation and such similar mistakes I have made. So I made this video so that to bring awareness among my viewers so that you may not make such silly and common mistakes, because every small and trivial issues that we overlook later grows into a very big problems. So friends, as the adage goes, like every neglected spark burn the house. So whenever we read, we write, when we speak, when we learn, we must try to learn it completely, try to understand the things in its entirety. So friends, if you have found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, take care, goodbye, stay focused, and keep learning every day.